Welcome and salam in Bangalore Film City. A film city going to be developed with an amount of 20,000 to 50,000 crore rupees. And today, and my heartiest wishing to the Maharam. And I fact physicist going to talk about the non-inertial frame scientific TTS process. A reference frame which is in accelerated translational motion with respect to an inertial reference frame, and also a reference frame which is in uniform rotation about an inertial frame are both non-inertial frames. Newton's law do not hold in non-inertial frames. We shall first consider an accelerated non-inertial reference frame. Consider S be an inertial frame and S dash another non-inertial frame moving with a constant translational acceleration a vector S of 0 vector relative to frame S. If a particle of mass m has an acceleration a vector in the frame S, then the external force acting on the particle is given by second law of Newton's as F vector equals to m into a vector. If the particle is seen from the frame S dash, then it may be assumed that frame S is moving with an acceleration minus of a sub naught vector relative to S dash frame, so that the particle appears to have an acceleration a vector minus a naught vector. Hence the force acting on the particle as observed from S dash frame is given by F dash vector equals to m into open parenthesis a vector minus a naught vector close parenthesis equals to m into a vector minus m into a naught vector, or we can write f dash vector equals to f vector minus m into a naught vector. The additional force minus m into a naught vector arising only due to the acceleration of the reference frame is called the fictitious or pseudo force. Even when no force is actually acting on the particle in frame S, a force minus m a naught vector appears to be acting on the particle in the frame S dash. It is equal to the mass times the acceleration of the non-inertial frame with its sign reverse. Since in a non-inertial frame a particle appears to have an acceleration even though no external force is acting on it, it is evident that Newton's second law of motion does not hold in such a frame. So we can, however, say that Newton's law would hold provided we add to a true force F vector a fictitious force minus m into a naught vector. For example, consider free-falling elevator. Consider an elevator falling freely under Earth's gravity. The acceleration of the non-inertial frame is given by a naught vector equals to minus g into k cap vector, where k cap is the unit vector in the vertical upward direction measured from the surface of the Earth. The fictitious force on an unattached particle of mass m inside the elevator is minus m into a vector equals to plus m into g into k cap. The actual force acting on the particle due to the Earth's attraction is F vector equals to minus mg into k cap. The resultant force on the particle as observed by an observer inside the elevator is so given by f dash vector equals to f vector minus m into a naught vector equals to minus mg into k cap plus mg into k cap equals to 0. Thus the particle inside the elevator is weightless. If it has no initial velocity relative to the elevator, then it will appear to remain suspended in mid-air at the same place relative to the elevator. This is exactly what happens in an artificial satellite. We can experience this gravity-free state during jumping from a height. So here we understand about the non-inertial frames and fictitious forces. So visiting this Bernadette film city on the eve of Muharram, I would like to tell you, I would like to wish a very good, happy Muharram to all people traveling in this Bollywood film city. And also I like to thanks who is watching my movies and enjoying this film city movie. I thanks all viewer for watching my video and supporting it. Thank you very much. Happy Muharram. A very nice blessing from Allah to all viewers watching my movie. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. My seeing my video and enjoying this movie that is visiting in Bollywood Film City. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.